My mother died from a brain tumour. It really blew me away. So I reassessed my life and thought to myself, okay, I'm going to research cancer. And I think the folded advertisement was, you can win a Nobel Prize. And I thought, oh, what's this about?
Foldit is a computer program that allows people with no scientific knowledge to contribute to a scientific experiment by discovering the shape of proteins.
Quick example, you take like the flute, right? You can think of that protein has a sort of shape. What we're trying to design is another protein that would be, let's say, a key that would fit right in the lock, and then it would basically inhibit that protein from working.
The idea was then to basically make a game about protein folding, because it's the same reason that, do you know, like CAPTCHAs? When you want to sign up for like an email account, they show you some text and you have to type it in. The reason that you do that is to prove that you're a person, because people are so much better than computers at processing and recognizing visual information and patterns.
The scientists had been working on the Mason Pfizer Monkey Virus for something like 15 years without finding a good solution. Knowing the structure was important to combat the AIDS epidemic, and so they just gave it to us as a normal puzzle, and we had about 3 weeks to work on it. I looked at the shape and I wanted to get one loop to tuck in, but I couldn't get it to fit. Then I had to go with a solution that a couple of members of my team, the Contenders, had worked on. And this time it worked. So it was really a team effort. I didn't think much about it until a few months later when they called us up and told us the solution we had submitted had enabled them to solve the structure. They were very happy about the breakthrough, both because of finding the answer and because of proving that an application like Foldit can produce results. Then the paper was released, and suddenly we were all over the international news.
When we were writing the paper about that, we actually contacted the players and we asked them if they wanted to be authors, like individually.
Like we contacted Mimi and we contacted the other
do you
two.
want to be authored? And they said no, they would rather have their group be the author, the Contenders group, which they're all members of.
It's a step along the way to solving AIDS, and that's probably the thing I'm most proud of. Humans will always see faces in clouds. I don't think you could teach a computer to do that. And that's maybe why the scientists haven't achieved finding what the shape was in all these years that they've been looking at it.
We've given our little input so that people can use it for AIDS-related disease. So Foldit is a game of life. Just have a look at yourself. You know, like, you're built up of all these proteins and you're a beautiful person. And I hope one day that all these beautiful things that I can see and the way that I can fold will be able to help someone. It's better than any other game because I can change the world.